Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install VMware tool on Ubuntu Desktop 18. Right-click, Install VMware Tools. Click Install. Click Yes. Click to open VMware Tools. Simply drag the zip file to desktop. Close folder and eject CD drive. Click Activities. Search Terminal. Type ls to list directory. Type cd space desktop. Type ls to list directory. Type tar space -z v x f space. Type VM, press tab key. Type ls to list directory. cd space VM, press tab key. Type ls to list directory. Type sudo space /vmware -install.pl. Type your password. Press Enter key to install default value. 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 Exit terminal window. Restart Ubuntu. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.